So I'll just add a little water and dissolve it. Mama, say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Welcome back to my. Hi, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mama, Hi, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much. If today is your first time coming across my YouTube video, my name is Treasure. Today's video, I want to prepare plantain. I want to fry plantain. In today's video, I want to fry plantain and make akamu pap. This is my plantain. This is my ripe plantain, and I have my egg here. So I'm going to make plantain and egg, and I'm going to show you guys the best way to make akamu. This is akamu. Akamu is made from corn. If you don't know how it is processed, I have the video on my YouTube channel. You can scroll down and watch. So let's get started. So now let me wash my plantain. I'll just fry two of this plantain. As you guys can see, I'm ready to go to church. Today is Sunday. Salt. Now let's fry the plantain. Good morning. Vegetable oil. So guys, while this is on fire, let me just be mixing the pap. Let me fetch water. I'll just add a little water and dissolve it. So guys, you can see there are no lumps inside again. It's well dissolved. So I'll set it aside and then let me check the plantain. Okay guys, now let's multitask. This is a multitask, doing so many things at a time. Onion, this is pepper, salt, so I'm done frying the plantain. The egg. This is water for the pap. So guys, now let's make the pap. I have to mix it again because it has clotted. So I will gently add the hot water. Very easy. See? So now I will add my sugar. So now I will add my milk. You can use powder milk or liquid milk. So what I have here is powder milk. So guys, this is the end of the video. I'm done making my pap, my plantain and my fried egg. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and drop a sweet comment on the comment section. Thank you.